Welcome back to Have You Ever? I'm Chase McMann, and today's question is, have you ever bought a gumball machine? This is it, guys. The magic. Now, the first step after buying a gumball machine is the cleaning process.
A few moments later.
Okay, here it is, the finished product. Win for the gumball pump top here.
1 hour later.
So now, guys, I realized that I had no way of being able to get into the globe to take out the bouncy balls and add new gumballs. So what was I going to do next? Research about the instruction manual, which apparently the magic gumball machine does not have online. So then I was left to do one thing. Look for screws. Down at the plate, I thought I had to remove those, which required a special tool. I looked at these two up here, which could not be unfastened. And then I found this tool which is used to remove the money plate down below. And much to my surprise, it actually spins here. And somehow loosens the top to where it comes off. Simple, right? But no, that took me about an hour to figure out. Now I have to figure out what I'm going to do with an upwards of 500 bouncy balls. And now, a moment with gumball machine jargon. Those of you who've never seen the inside of a gumball machine before, this metal piece is called the candy hopper, which when you spin and put the coin into the machine, it causes one bouncy ball or gumball, depending on what's in the machine, to come out. This prevents multiple from falling through, as there's special precautions here. The last bouncy ball. Now, guys, this is what the gumball machine looks all cleaned up. As you can see, the globe has completely been polished and the inside has been cleaned out of any residue from previous gum or the rubber from the bouncy balls, along with the hopper there, completely cleaned of any dust. For those of you who are just dying to know exactly how many bouncy balls we have, well, the number might surprise you. As I said earlier, we have an upwards of 500 bouncy balls, and the exact number is, drum roll please, 681. Finally, after around 96 hours of waiting, one of my 3 packages of gumballs has arrived to fill my gumball machine. And now, a special appearance from 2 stars of The Runaway. Today we have guest stars from The Runaway.
I'm Kaylee Smith.
I'm Jeremy Smith, and today we're going to be trying out a gumball machine.
Here, Kaylee Smith is inserting the quarter to receive a capsule. That is empty. Plot twist. 3 days later. I've just received my second shipment of gumballs. meaning that I have all 2,500 for my gumball machine.
Alert, alert. Test 1 commencing.
The first gumball in the machine.
Now onto a grave mistake.
The moment you realize it wasn't plugged in. Okay, what do you call two screws that somehow disappeared? Gone with the wind. And that's what they are, because I'm currently missing two screws, one right there and one on this side right there, that I assumed came with the machine, but were not in the bag when I looked for them. So what was I left to do? Go to Ace Hardware, because Ace is the place. There, I luckily found a gumball machine that was the exact same model as mine. So they were able to look at the two screws in theirs, unscrew one, compare it with their inventory, and be able to find two identical that work perfectly for this type of gumball machine pump top. And that is how you solve the missing screws story. The time has finally arrived where I have every individual piece for my gumball machine, from the inventory to the signs. And as a special note to Bitterroot Signs, I want to say thank you to Joe Zwicker, who made this amazing custom design which covered the previous design from where I bought the machine. Now on to the bowling alley. This is the bowling alley where my gumball machine is going to be set up. And then you'll walk. Okay guys, I finally redid my gumball machine here, and we'll have it put right here. And a free bowl capsule placed in. And this is the last of the gumballs. Thanks for watching this episode of Have You Ever? As always, get out there and try something new. Finally, I want to express my deepest gratitude to those who made this Have You Ever episode possible. Thank you, Hamilton Gifts, for selling me the gumball machine for an extremely generous price. Thank you, Joe Zwicker at Bitterroot Signs, for custom designing and donating a sign for my machine. Thank you, Bitterroot Valley Lanes, for your kindness in allowing me to place my machine in your business. And last but not least, thank you to all the others who contributed in making this possible.